ahead, try them on, Xavier.
Come on, come on.
These are perfect. I'm gonna be like LeBron James.
Mm-hmm. All right, go ahead, try them on. Let's
the
see.
same thing. What's smaller?
Yeah, one's the high top and one's
These
the
are
regular.
so cool. Double shoes. Wait, those are. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Okay, how they feel?
good.
Okay.
I feel like LeBron James.
Okay, and they feel like, let me feel them. Okay, they good. All right, put on the other one so you could walk in them. All right, so tie them.
Mommy.
Wait.
Okay, time to see my height. Oh my god, I'm so tall. What? Okay, guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my new shoes from Nike. Okay, guys, I will look. This is the one. So. Get it, laugh. Oh my god.
Try them on.
Wow.
I know you like purple. They didn't have them in purple.
It's unlocked. Okay, guys, I'm going to be trying these on now. Do you know the last one, though? Let's just say. I'm taking the thing.
Mm-hmm.
What? No. Oh, why are you... Okay. Just like this foot, right? And then I'll kick bump. It's fine with this.
Okay. Try the other one on. Well, yeah, tie it first.
Tie it? Okay.
All right. Now tie them up.
Tie it?
Mm-hmm. Tie them so you can walk and make sure they're good.
Wait, can I wear this tomorrow for school?
Okay.